Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm participating in a new YouTube hop. Well, it's new to me, but it's been going for a little while. And it's Coast to Coast is what it's called. And it's a group of scrapbookers from all over the world who get together and use prompts to create scrapbook layouts. So the June prompts is friendships, numbers, patterns, and lots of words. So I've never done a challenge like this where there's so many different sort of prompts. So it's been a challenge to work out what I'm doing, but hopefully it'll turn out okay. So the friendships prompts are things like besties, inside jokes, groups, how we met, roommates, childhood friends. So I'm doing so sorry. I'm doing my uni mates. So in the dorm I was in at uni, and some of those old photos that I've never ever scrapped. So we're talking 1985 through to 1989. And I've never scrapped these photos, so it's going to be lots of fun. And then another prompt is numbers, and examples are order, quantity, date, time, top 10, measurements, countdown. Patterns, textile, graphic, numbers and words, and lots of words. Word cloud, the whole story, free writing, books, descriptive. So, what am I doing? So I have the photos here somewhere, but I've buried them. I can't actually show them because I don't have permission from any of these people. I've lost contact with all of them because that was so long ago. So I covered them. What is that? I covered them and just wrote on their top photo left and right so that I know where they go on the layout. Alright, and for the lots of words, I printed out a word cloud. I was going to use it as an image on the layout, but changed my mind, and instead I have lots of little alphas here. I have so many of these little alphas that I never seem to think to use them. So I just grabbed out a heap of them, all sorts of different colors and fonts and styles, and I'm planning on recreating the word cloud in one of the corners. So I'll just move this stuff aside, give myself some room. And then I have other little embellishments that I want to include, like this has a typewriter because back in the day, back then in uni, there was no computers to use. Everything was, you hand wrote everything in your notes at lectures and stuff, and then you typed up on a typewriter your assignments and handed them in like that. There was nothing electronic back then. And I also have, along that vein, a big typewriter here, and I'm thinking of using the priority sticker on top of the I'm so lucky. So I probably won't remember half of this. So I have great plans all the time and I never carry through. But anyway, my mind changes as I develop the layout. And then some of these old, what are they called? Flares. True Story, Shine. I can use any of them. BU. So I don't know. I might use them. So I've covered off the friends and the lots of words. I've also got a rub on here that's just got mates on it. I don't know if I can make that fit on the layout. We will see. And then I've got more words here. So lots of words there. My photos. Right, so now I need to cover off numbers and the patterns. So the patterns I'm going to use, and it's also numbers. This is an old Stampin' Up paper, so it's not going to have a name on it, but it's got lots of numbers on it. So I'm going to cover it though, so you're only going to see like an inch either side, because this paper is going to go like on top. I'm going to mat it all on black cardstock, and part of my numbers, my date is going to be on here. So these photos were taken in 1985. And the dorm is A2B2, so it's got numbers in it too. And I've got numbers there, and my numbers are in a pattern, so hopefully I have met all the criteria. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. My goodness, I fit a lot on that page, didn't I? So where do I start? Goodness. I got my word cloud in. I'm so happy about that. And that basically says it all. Yeah. My goodness. Some of these letters don't have any stick anymore because they're old. So I will have to pull a lot of them up and put glue behind them. I had to make a few letters. I had no H, so I just cut up another one to make a H. I did that somewhere else here to make an A. So anyway, so the words I included are obviously the university I went to, Charles Sturt University. It was Mitchell College when I started. By the time I got to graduation, and I've just realised I've missed a letter. It's there's an R missing. Oh, I'll have to fix that. It was Charles Sturt University when I left, when I graduated. These photos were taken in 1985 when I was in the dorm. Our dorm name was A2B2 in the Cottrell House, and the uni was at Bathurst. So, and it was fun. Lots of great friends. Tutorials, lectures. We're in a dorm. We studied sometimes. Books. Love, because there was quite a few relationships formed in the dorm, me included. But anyway, yeah, so in the end, not a lot of the black that I did around the outside is showing, but I think there's enough. I needed to tie in more black besides the backing and the little phrases I've got around. So yeah. Alright, so down below will be a link to the playlist for everyone who's playing along, and make sure you go and check it out. Like everyone's videos and subscribe to them, and hit their notify bells so that you know when their next videos come out. And same with me, if you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the notify bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.